this ends up always being the weird one, like I said, downshifting the second, because you gotta wait until it seems like it's like, oh, we're almost puttering.
Yeah.
Because otherwise you're never gonna make it into second, even wrapping her all the way up.
Exactly. That's pretty good. It seems to shift pretty well, actually.
Like I said, it's all about timings. Yeah, you just gotta, because yeah, like I said, there are no synchros in the transmission, so you really just gotta try to get your window perfect to, you know, keep it from grinding. But
It's got a pretty nice ride too, actually.
yeah, the leaf springs that actually, you know, between the springs and the seat and the leaf springs, it's actually not too bad.
Yeah, you're not being bounced around. It's not like a buggy or anything.
Right?
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Well, yeah, I know this was supposed to be higher end even for its time, you know.
Mm-hmm. And it doesn't seem like, you know, it's kind of a tall car. It doesn't seem to really have a lot of flex either. It actually seems pretty well put together. That was bold of him.
No, right? No, which luckily I just redid the brakes, because if I hadn't just redone the brakes, that would have been way scarier.
When we went for a ride in that Plymouth, the guy was telling me, he's like, yeah, there's no rear brakes. He's like, the brakes really don't work. And it was horrifying.
You good?